Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Fliki account using your LinkedIn account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Now go to google.com and in Google search Fliki. Click on the official page of Fliki after searching it and then click login, which you can see on the top right hand corner. What you need to do is click continue with LinkedIn and it will lead you to this website where you can write down your password, click sign in, and then you can sign in to your Fliki using your LinkedIn. So go ahead and write down the password and then click in and log in with your LinkedIn. Let me show it to you once again how you can log in to your Fliki account using your LinkedIn account. Go to fliki.ai and click continue with LinkedIn. It will lead you to this page where you can continue writing your email address, your password, and clicking signing in. This was a video on how you can log in using your LinkedIn in Fliki. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.